Hi, now we're into video 3.2. Okay, as you can see on the screen, we are doing migrating from our Illustrator, Illustrator to Procreate. Okay, let me move this. Okay, oh, okay. Okay, sorry, let's go from here. Okay, here's the two icon. We are moving from Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator to Procreate. And Illustrator, they are what I call vector-based, PostScript, they are sharp. And for Procreate, they are pixel-based. Let me give you an example by what I meant by pixel. Pixel, as you can see, this one, all the jagged line, all the small little box, they are pixels. So for Illustrator, you see, no matter how big you blow up, it's still sharp. They are PostScript. Yeah. So that's the difference between the Illustrator and Procreate. Okay. So here it says from paints to pixel. So a little bit story about myself. I've been painting all this while with all this painting using traditional paint. So paint refers to traditional acrylic and oil, and pixels refers to drawing with the iPad, yeah, with the Apple Pencil. Yeah, cool. This is a magic pencil, okay, on the iPad, digital paintings. So today we're going to cover a variety of brushes. We're going to start with Procreate, the library, the library of brushes. Okay, let's dive in right now. Okay, to Procreate. Okay, so as you can see, the blue icon is selected. There's the brush. When you tap on the brush, you'll see that there are sketching brush, inking brush, drawing brush, painting brush, artistic brush, calligraphy brush, airbrush, texture, abstract, charcoal, elements, spray paint, touch-up, vintage, luminous, what have you, industrial, organic, water. These are all the default brushes that come with Procreate. Yeah, of course there are some custom brush you can order or import. Yeah, from the net, or you can also create your own custom brushes. Okay, so the brushes, they say, for example, when you click on sketching, on the right, you will see the whole list of different type of sketching. What you call Procreate pencil, technical pencil. Yeah, so you can also adjust the thickness. Yeah, so in Procreate, your three fingers, tap 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 tap, and it's gone. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. So we have from Procreate pencil, technical pencil, HB pencil, 6B pencil. So you can adjust the width and the opacity also, the thickness. And soft pencil, oil pastel, and artist crayon. Yeah. Okay, now it's up. Okay, so now we go to inking. Inking, you have a range of brushes, library of brushes of different type. You have drawing, you have artistic, calligraphy, and on the right hand, as you can see, there's a whole range. Airbrush, which is used quite often. Texture, so texture, you can use texture. Okay, abstract, yeah, abstract. Okay, so enlarge bigger, I can see abstract. And charcoal, simulate charcoal, element, spray paint, touch up, vintage, luminous, industrial, organic, water. So if you shift the let's say for example, okay, so these are default brushes. Once you make changes, you can't undo it. So the best, if you want to make changes, you duplicate the brush, you shift from right to left, you can make a duplicate brush, so you can do whatever. So again, when you press on the one of the brushes, all the properties will come up. So you have stroke property, you can have the spacing, you can have the streamline, jitter, and then you have taper, shape, grain, rendering, wax and mix, color dynamic and dynamic, Apple Pencil property, yeah, and about this brush and who created this. Okay, so you have a whole range of so when you adjust that, the brush will change. Okay, so okay, then, or you can also use the eraser to just erase off. Okay, so now let's compare the one that I duplicate. Procreate pencil. Let's say I make adjustment, adjust the shape, the grain. Okay, let's try to do a comparison. And the one that it come from the default. So see, that's the difference, yeah. When adjust, there will be different. So it's there's a lot of area you can play around with Procreate brushes. The best way is to experiment yourself. So I can't be possibly going through all the adjustment, just basically just running through the library of brushes. So the best way is to, now I show you. Okay, so let's say you want to take another, okay, I like another one, which is the painting brush that you can, turpentine, yeah, so turpentine original was like that, yeah, okay, it's too big. Okay, the thing is that it can mix. So you have, let's say you have a pencil that the ink or something, you draw something. Okay, let's delete this first. Three finger, done. Okay, let's draw a line and a thin line, maybe a fine tip. Okay, then I goes to use my okay, yes, I thought I forgot to record. Okay, where's my painting brush? Turpentine. See, turpentine original. Turpentine 1 means I have adjusted the properties. Okay, so was I saying, every time you click on the brush itself, it comes up with the brush studio where you can adjust the stroke, spacing, and the jitter and all this, the shape of the brush and so far and so on, the properties. So the best way I'm showing you this, so you have to exploit yourself and you will discover many new type of brushes to customize it and use it for your own painting, yeah. Okay, so now turpentine was saying, okay, let me choose another color to differentiate. So I like it because it actually blend with the you can actually smudge with the other colors, yeah. So this is black. So yeah, so it's quite interesting. All right, so the painting brushes use it quite often. Turpentine, calligraphy for drawing lines, and then the other one is used quite a lot is the airbrush, you know, for painting, yeah. Then of course you can still adjust the airbrush, this one, airbrush, soft airbrush 1, airbrush 2. See, I have already adjusted, making it looks like the some effect. Okay, let me black. Yeah, you can see that the original was airbrush soft was just like that, yeah. So you see, when you adjust the spacing, the jitter and all this thing, it will become like that. It could be a fur or something, yeah. Okay, what else do I want to cover? So you shift to the right, I mean to the left or right, you can duplicate or you can share your brush with some other people. All right, and the original the default brushes, you can't delete it. Like those that I created it, like let me go back to sketching, just Procreate pencil, you see, I can delete it. Yeah. So that's about it for our Procreate brushes for today, and the library of brushes, and then brushes. Thank you for watching, and nice to see you again coming to my class. And I think we are doing so well. Yeah, that's 加油. Okay, thank you. Bye.